GitHub Copilot and Tabnine are two leading AI-powered coding assistants that help developers write code faster, ideal for programmers, students, or businesses building software. Both suggest code snippets in real time, but one leans toward broad integration, the other privacy and control. Let's explore what each offers, compare their differences, and pick the best for most users. First, let's dive into GitHub Copilot. Launched in 2021 by GitHub, OpenAI, and Microsoft, it's like a coding partner that lives in your IDE, such as Visual Studio Code or JetBrains. Powered by GPT-4 Turbo, it suggests whole lines, functions, or even translates comments like fetch user data into working code. Its free tier suits students and open-source maintainers, while paid plans start at $10 monthly for individuals, with enterprise options at $39 per user. Copilot's strength is its deep GitHub integration, pulling context from millions of public repositories for versatile suggestions across languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java. Next up is Tabnine, started in 2015 by Codota. It's like a tailored assistant that prioritizes your codebase needs. Using proprietary models trained on high-quality, permissively licensed code, it offers completions for lines, functions, or midline snippets in IDEs like vscode, IntelliJ, and even Sublime Text. Its free plan includes basic completions, with paid tiers from $12 monthly for advanced features like offline mode or custom model training. Tabnine's focus is privacy, offering on-premises deployment and zero data retention, perfect for enterprises with sensitive code. Now, let's compare them head-to-head. First, suggestion quality. Copilot's vast training data delivers robust, context-aware suggestions, like entire functions for complex tasks, shining in prototyping or diverse projects. Tabnine's suggestions are precise, especially when tuned to your codebase, but may lack Copilot's flair for broad patterns. Next, privacy. Tabnine excels with no data storage, SOC 2 Type 2 compliance, and self-hosted options, ensuring code stays private. Copilot retains prompts for 28 days outside IDEs and lacks offline support, raising concerns for regulated industries. Then, customization. Tabnine lets you train models on private repositories, adapting to your style, while Copilot uses a universal model, offering less tailoring. Ease of use is close. Both integrate smoothly, but Copilot's GitHub ecosystem feels seamless for VS Code users, while Tabnine supports more niche IDEs like Vim. Cost-wise, Copilot's $10 plan is slightly cheaper than Tabnine's $12, and its free tier is broader for eligible users, though Tabnine's free plan suits solo devs. Finally, features. Copilot offers chat for debugging and architecture tips. Tabnine's Code Explorer summarizes projects for onboarding. So which is better? If you're an enterprise or developer handling sensitive code, Tabnine's privacy, offline mode, and custom models make it the winner. Security comes first. But for most users, students, freelancers, or teams on public projects, GitHub Copilot's the better choice. Its intuitive suggestions, lower cost, and GitHub integration boost productivity across diverse coding tasks. Pick based on whether privacy or power drives you, but Copilot's edge usually codes the win.